Secretary General of Somali Council of Elders, tuwejeretwe na ikuo litekwereka bia bloggers na mantu jangi kou ikia tumyokona nya esimiwa beto batekwenda kweja ni untu they are living in fear, they are living in under intimidation. Some of us barako wanatokea lia, we have put our rights on the line tuteithia jamii ni untu itukuona but deja kuwezera tekera tweregerete na maendeleo ja deja kuwezera tekera tweregerete na maendeleo ja kora ilio ndachenjiria msimamo wakwa ni untu oni ute interest ndaracio interest cietu i community tetheke na mbuge kuma devolution yeramberia. Devolution has never worked in ISIOLO.
Okay.
Devolution has never worked in ISIOLO kuma yeramberia. Those 3 cycles wataka county ya Meru kuraja go kwe comparing to ISIOLO. Oni kanenkaro county ya ISIOLO to ISIOLO. Oni kanenkaro county ya ISIOLO. In 10 years, 50% of the population will be millionaires. County Anton Grima another two. 300,000 people with a budget of 7 billion every year. I would make 50% of the population millionaires in 10 years.
Thank you.
Na nkapotalera ona ISIOLO niyo yona ambeche nyingi nkrokie Meru based on the population. Ni onto Meru yaja kwa 14 billion 9.6 jieta ke current expenditure. Kwa Meru tigaragwa na gintu 4 point something billion bejira batigaragwa cha maendeleo. ISIOLO out of 7 the current expenditure yetu ni 2 billion. Kwa batigaragwa na 5. Kwa they remain with more money than Meru. ISIOLO ikata unikaka street ijereka otekange. Meru town Ngobo Maua Timao. Now I know you can see second development. ISIOLO a town of 2 streets. Nothing to show. Becha tiendo kai kolewa. Ile wa left right and the center. Icho tie corrupt system kuma ISIOLO mwanka Nairobi ikia tumyo kuona. Utino umba kuita hotel kani untu. Money is being ditched. The county money. Now we have a serious leadership problem at ISIOLO.
Okay, thank you. Bwana Mithika.
Yes, madam.
Tunaenda kwa parting shot
Yes.
Na ki parting shot yeku kuna kiuria Mutevia. Kuna kukuntu Mutevi wire. Auga